Welcome folks. So today's video is going to be covering the Honeywell Home X8 series as well as other X series smart thermostats. And we're going to be covering in this video the 7-day programming of a temperature set point schedule. Now I have all sorts of other different videos that I will place down below the video covering other aspects of this thermostat. So if you want to know about manual override, factory reset, the setup menu, and the install, and the base plate wiring options, please check out those other videos. I also have connecting Wi-Fi when you first connect this device through your smartphone and you first install it into home. So connecting Wi-Fi as well as lock and unlock. And today's video is the 7-day programming of the thermostat. Okay, so let's get into the 7-day programming of the thermostat. It's very simple. Okay, you can either do it on the device itself, on the thermostat. You have to go right to the schedule icon in your menu. Okay, and then you have this, display that shows up here. So you have the options of group days, which is all the days being the same exact, periods and set points. Or you can go single day. You can go individually and tailor it by each individual day. The same thing is available on the smartphone, and I will show you that on the app in just a moment. But two different ways of scheduling here, very simple, okay? But I want to show you before I get into this what to do in the options here if you want to operate this manually. If you want to turn off your schedule and operate this as a manual style thermostat, you can do that if you want for any particular reason. And as you can see here, you can turn off the schedule, which is the last option, or you can create a new schedule completely, or a schedule profile just like these here to show up in addition to the ones shown here on the main screen for the schedule. So the options button is very easy to use, and there is some flexibility there. Like I said, if you want to do a complete manual style thermostat, you would come in here first and turn off your schedule. That way you don't have a schedule trying to keep on being followed by the thermostat as you're proceeding through each of the time periods. Now, as you can see, we have group days and single days. Each one is going to fall into 4 periods of the day. We have wake, away, home, and sleep, okay? Each one of these you can adjust. So as you can see, you can adjust the time, okay? AM or PM, and then the temperature set point for both heating and cooling right here in the same spot. You don't have to do them separately, and you can have your fan option here as well. Once you make your changes, you would hit and go save, okay? Or you have the option of up here in the top right to turn off this period. If you wanted to go from 4 periods a day to eliminating some of these periods, you could do that by simply just hitting turn off period, okay? And that would turn off your period that you select. So I'm gonna hit cancel for that and back out of it. But you get the idea. You can go in here and set each one of these the way you like. Go ahead and select away and select the time threshold and your temperature for each heating or cooling as you see it here. So for auto changeover, it's going to automatically adjust and switch between heating and cooling as needed. So I do recommend 4 periods to the day, okay? Even though it is extra to program, it is definitely worth it to customize the wake time, the away, the home. When you return from home, basically, that's called a return in some of the older Honeywell thermostats. And then sleep, you want to, turn those things down. You want to turn the heat down, or you want to turn the AC down, or you may want to turn it up, depending on your comfort level. But you can see there, you can add another period. So if you want to go more than 4, okay. Or like I said, you can remove the periods as needed, or you can make your own custom schedule. If you hit the options button here, create new schedule. So my preferred way of doing this is simply, I like the group days. I like them all to be the same. And for the most part, I'll go ahead and, dial everything as needed. Okay, the single day is a great option, but it's a little bit more work. Now you have to go through every single day and every single time period. So 7 days a week times 4, so 4 periods of the day, and then go ahead and adjust those as needed. Now, you don't have to do this all at once, okay? You can come back and do it over time and critique and fine-tune and tailor your schedule as you you kind of need it, okay? You don't need to do this right off the bat, okay? Just something that's good to know, that you have flexibility and to do that, okay? So that there is a schedule on the thermostat. Everything is available right here on the screen of the thermostat at the schedule tab on the menu, okay? Let's return to home. And as you can see here, it's following a schedule. If you were to shut off the schedule, obviously it would say nothing there, okay? Just like it does here. So it's up to you what option you want. Let's get into the smartphone app and show you what options are available there as well. So very simple. You have all your options available here. As you can see, this is the basement thermostat. You have all the same options you do for the most part on the thermostat as you do on the phone app. Scroll all the way down, and now you have the schedule option right here. You also have this vacation settings option, and you can go ahead and turn off and on to use the vacation. So you would set your dates here from and to, and then you go ahead and click on that bottom option and go and set your heating and cooling for your different, set points that you need, the fan condition as well as the priority for what selected rooms, okay? So really good option here. You can dial that in for vacation time. That way you can turn down your heat or turn down your cooling so it doesn't go on as frequently. That way you're not consuming extra electricity or energy, fuel, or whatever it may be. So that option there allows you to be very eco-friendly and allows you to turn it down, which is definitely a convenience, okay? Getting back to the schedule option on the smartphone app, we have the smartphone option here, and basically you have everything you just saw on the thermostat, okay, on the schedule tab right here on the phone as well, okay, on your app. You have the group days, you have the single days, and the same thing. You would go through here and adjust each one of these entries correctly, hit save, okay, and then proceed back to the next one and continue on for each day of the week, 4 times a day. And like I said, you could have only 1 period or 2 periods of the day if you like, okay? That's up to you, but then you would have to go in there and remove each one. But like I said, for the most part, I get by just fine with the grouped days option. That way you only have to adjust basically 4 periods of the day, and it applies it to all of the days completely, okay? Same option here when it comes to the top right. We have turn off schedule, switch to auto away schedule, or create new schedule, okay? So it allows you that quick access to vacation mode, or create a new schedule, or turn it into a manual style thermostat by clicking on the turn off thermostat, or sorry, turn off schedule, I should say. Okay, same option that's available here in the options, okay? This one here allows you to go into vacation mode. This one does not, okay? So that's one thing that's nifty on the phone app. But that there is the thermostat, how to program it, how to basically turn off the programming as well, and to make it a manual style thermostat if you would like other family members, just the ease of use and the flexibility to do that. But very easy to program. Like I said, it takes some time to really dial in your temperature set points for heating and cooling over the different seasons. So go back when it's at your convenience to adjust those, and you should have no problem whatsoever. But that there, guys, is the 7-day schedule programming for the X8 and the X7 series. Please check out my other videos, like I said, covering the new features and functions of the X8 and other X series thermostats, manual override, factory reset, setup menu, and install options when it comes to wiring the base plate and so on, as well as connecting Wi-Fi for the Resideo First Alert app, which is this one right here, and the Google Home app and other Matter-enabled devices, and lock and unlock, okay? So that's going to be it. Check those videos out down below this video. I'll have them posted. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy and have a nice day. Bye.